Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a Halara fall fashion try on haul. These are all brand new for the fall time, and I was really excited to get some of their fall pieces. Pretty sure you guys have heard of Halara. Halara is really popular and a lot of people love it. I've tried Halara pieces before, but this time I'm trying their fall pieces, and I was super excited because they have more of like the cozy fall pieces that we just love. Quite a bit to show you guys. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with this right here. I absolutely love this sweater. I just think it's so pretty. It's kind of like a little bit of like sporty slash dressy. I love that combination. Halara has like a lot of workout clothing pieces. Then they kind of do like twists on clothing where they make them comfortable. And pants that are more like for work wear, office wear. They make them wearable for every day, for more comfy. They just know what they're doing. And this one is one of them that I absolutely love. I got this in the color white, and this is in the size medium. It is beautiful. So it's more like a corset style sweater. It is so unique and so beautiful. I really love like this corset detail that goes all the way from the back to the front. It just like cinches you in, but it's so comfortable. Regular stretchy sweater. This is perfect to go to the gym and have this over with your workout gear, or you could just wear this with like some jeans. And that's the reason why I love Halara, is because you can wear their clothing pieces so many ways. Moving on to this other one. So I just want to let you guys know I did open this, but the rest of them I did not open them because I wanted to give you guys like my first impressions, what I think of it, and if I think it's worth it, which I already know it is because, you know, with Halara, they never let me down. I love Halara. Halara, I think, is just great quality. And this is kind of like what I purchased versus what I got. Got this, which this is brand new for their fall time, and I've been wanting something like this for the fall time because I just thought these were really fun, and they are corduroy pants. So the reason why I really love this is because it does have an elastic waist in the back, and these are really nice. Now it doesn't have any stretch, but it's more like a loose, relaxed fit type of pants. And you guys, for the fall time, you guys need a pair of corduroy pants. I absolutely love this. They do have pockets right here. It does have the belt loop, so if you want to put a belt, you can. The quality is very nice. It's soft, but it's like nice and sturdy quality. The reason why I really love these is because even though I am 5'1", they are not like dragging on the floor. Otto did roll it up, and she kind of had it more like a capri style pants. So I could have definitely got this in a small because I feel like, yeah, this is definitely more of a loose fit. If I didn't tell you guys, I just want to quickly let you guys know like what these are called. This sweater is called a corset plain cropped sweatshirt, and then these brown ones are called the mid-rise button zipper side pocket corduroy casual pants. Next item are a pair of pants, and these are called the Halara Magic high-waisted button pockets wash stretchy knit denim casual wide leg pants. I got them in the wash denim lake blue in the size medium, and these I really love. I feel like this is like an elevated style of jeans. I think this is perfect to wear like with your ankle boots, like heeled ankle boots, or some heels. I just love this. This is so cute, and it's really nice and stretchy. This is like super stretchy, but at the same time I feel like definitely will cinch you in. It does have pockets in the back. It has pockets in the front. It's kind of like almost like jeggings, but they're jeans because they do have pockets, and this is so nice. I remember having something like this a long time ago, and it just looked so flattering. So there's something about these that I just love. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous, absolutely worth picking up. This is something very unique, and I like the wide leg. These are really nice, and that's one thing I really love about Halara, is that they really know how to do their jeans like super comfortable, very stretchy, but at the same time it snatches you in, and they're very flattering. So I don't know how Halara is doing it, but they're doing something right because these are just amazing. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. Alrighty, moving on to a corduroy jacket. I honestly feel like it's not quite fall without a corduroy jacket or without something corduroy. Now, I showed you guys corduroy pants, but I had to show you guys the corduroy jacket that I picked up. And it is this one right here. It is so darn pretty. Now, they do also have this one in the color cream, but I got it in the olive green because I've been really into olive green lately, and I just thought this would be really nice to wear like with my other like leggings. Throw this over. It is perfection, and the quality is amazing. It is as nice as I thought it would be. It's like a really nice corduroy material. It's a lot of movement, so it's not stiff. Like the collar right here, it is a button down, so it's kind of looks like a snap closure, but these are like snap buttons because you do have to button them up. It does have two working pockets on each side, and I don't think it has pockets on the side. No, it does not. But this, guys, you really need. I love the sleeves. So they call this a collared button pocket long sleeve curved hem corduroy casual jacket in the rifle green in the size medium. If I forgot to mention, I do have a coupon code for you guys, so just keep that in mind. If you guys want, if you're interested in anything, make sure you use that coupon code so you can save some extra cash. And moving on to some pants that I was super excited to try. This I seen all over TikTok. Like every time I click on TikTok, Halara always pops up. And they show this a lot. These pants has been advertised a lot as being like the also popular, super famous, really like I guess best-selling pants because these are really cool. This is a hybrid, guys. This is a hybrid type of pants that you could definitely wear if you work in more of a professional setting and you need like dress pants. But then you want to get out of work and, you know, maybe take off your fitted button-up top and wear something more casual with it and put some sneakers on instead of the heels. This is the type of pants that you could definitely switch and look more comfortable, but at the same time as you're wearing this, it is so darn comfortable. I got this in a size medium. This is the high-waisted plicated side pocket wide leg solid palazzo waffle pants. This is like a waffle knit material. Look at that. But it's like very nice and relaxed fit. I really love it. It does have side pockets right here. It has belt loops if you want to use a belt with it. Now it doesn't have a zipper or a button because it's more like that, you know, pull up type of pants, but you look very dressy. You look like $1,000,000. But it's like relaxed and chill. So if you're into those dress pants, but you don't like to wear them because maybe they're just not as comfortable, you might want to try these. These are just amazing. I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like this I'm going to wear a lot because I am so into pants like this, but I don't always wear them because I'm like, it's just, I mean, it's comfortable, but you guys know what I mean? Like, I don't know. With this, I feel like I can wear a lot with it. And I've seen on Pinterest these girls wear this with like some sneakers. So I think I'm going to start wearing pants like that because I just love that look. Like a pair of white sneakers with this and like a nice sweater. You guys gotta try this. This has been all over TikTok for a good reason. I really love it. I like the fact that it is a stretchy waistband, so you don't have to worry about it being like tight on you or anything. Moving on to these right here. Let me see what these are called. So these are called the Halara Magic High-Waisted Crossover Pocket Washed Stretchy Knit Casual Super Flare Jeans. I got them in the denim light blue, and I got them in the medium petite. So I really like the fact that they do have this in the petite. So if you are petite like me, I'm 5'1". I like the fact that they cater to all of us. And if I didn't mention, they do have a wide variety of ranges from like extra small, I believe, to, I'm going to put it somewhere here because I don't remember, but it does go all the way to plus size, which I really love that because they're thinking of all of us. So thank you, Halara, for that. But I especially love this, guys. This crossover style pants has been on trend for a while now, but at the same time, it's very flattering. It just gives you like that hourglass look. This is so nice. I love the fact that they give you real working pockets in the front. They give you real working pockets in the back. And definitely, guys, I have to say this does give me like a 70s, back to the 70s style jeans, which honestly I've been wanting for a long time, and I just love these. I just think these are so gorgeous, and I like the light wash. It is a, you know, flare, and they're just really nice. This is very flattering. It like cinches you in, snatches you in, and I've tried a lot of crossover, and there's something about crossover pants, they just make you look snatched, and the quality is really nice. It has like a nice stretch, but not too much. It's enough stretch where it's comfortable, but at the same time, definitely I can see it snatching me in. These are gorgeous. On to another oh so popular pair of jeggings. Again, these are another pair of pants that every time I click on TikTok, I see these every single time. Halara pops up, and these are the ones that are one of their best sellers. These, let me see what these are called. So these are called the Halara Magic High-Waisted Backside Pocket Stretchy Knit Denim Casual Leggings. I got them in the denim black, and I got in a size medium. This is in the denim black. They do have different washes. I wanted to get something different, especially for the fall time. I think this is really nice to get a pair of like denim black, kind of like vintage washed looking jeans. Call them leggings, but I would definitely say these are more like jeggings because they look like jeans, but they're actually like, you know, leggings. I really like that. It does have faux pockets in the front, but the pockets in the back are real. And the belt loops, they don't have no belt loops. They don't have a zipper, but it does make it look like it has a zipper. It doesn't have a bun or anything. But I think these are perfect to wear with like a sweater, with either this or with like an oversized sweater would be really nice if you want to wear something like really fall-ish. You go to the gym, I think also this is perfect to go to the gym and work out in these, because these are like, you can definitely wear them for working out even though they look like jeans. I think that is really cool. You could wear this, and if it's a chillier morning and you're that type of girl where you wake up at 5 a.m. I'm jealous. I wish I was, but I can't. I could definitely see myself wear this and put this over to go work out, where you just look so cute, right? I love to work out, but I like to dress cute because it just, I don't know, I just like it. You girls know what I mean. This is such great quality. It does really look like a real pair of jeans. Tell me if you remember this. I think it was like 3 years back, or maybe a little bit more. They came up with the jeggings, but at first they used to make them horrible quality. They look so bad and cheap. When you put them on, you could tell they're leggings, but they try to make them look like jeans, and it did not look cute. Like they look like they were spray painted. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Like, I remember seeing those and I'm just like, they look so bad. But we come a long way. So this, I feel like, is perfect because they actually look like real jeans. They look like distressed vintage black denim jeans, but they're leggings and they're comfy and they're just so nice. I honestly want these in more colors because I can see myself wearing this a lot. Moving on to the next piece. What is this? Oh yes, oh my gosh, I totally forgot that I got a bomber jacket. So this, they call it the snap button side pocket solid casual bomber jacket. I got in the black size medium. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. Oh, I already have a bomber jacket, but okay, I'm gonna have two. I don't really care because I cannot get rid of this one. This is so pretty. This is more like an elevated, dressy slash kind of like sporty and edgy looking bomber jacket. It is so nice. I got this in a medium. I feel like this is more of a loose, relaxed fit style bomber jacket. And it does have like the snap button closure. I love the fact that this is like a matte black. Do you see that? So you could see it's there, but not really. The pockets in the front right here, these are not real. They're just for looks, but honestly don't care. It doesn't have any pockets on the side, but I absolutely love this. I could definitely see myself wearing this with these jeans. My gosh, guys, imagine that would be so edgy. Wear these together. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. This is so nice. Has a really nice quality at the collar. It looks like that, and then it looks the same around the wrist. One thing I do want to mention, I just noticed right now, is that they do have a little bit right here of a padded shoulder. Like it has a little bit padding on it, not too much, it's very slight. And last but not least are these right here. So these, they call it the Halara Magic high-waisted button pocket washed stretchy knit casual leg pants in the wash denim leg blue medium. Looks like that on the model. They have like their collection of items that's called Halara Magic, and it's because it's basically a material that is just really nice. Like it looks like real jeans, which I mean they are, but they're actually very stretchy, very comfortable. I really like the fit, how it looks. So these I thought was really nice. It does have like the pockets right here. Now these are not working pockets, they're just for looks. And then they do have like the front pockets right here. It does have front back pockets as well in the back. It's like a really nice elastic waistband, so it's nice and stretchy. These are really nice and stretchy as well, but at the same time I could definitely see this material, like it will snatch you in. These are really great quality. If you guys been looking for a pair of like jeans that feel more like leggings, but at the same time they're comfortable and they're stretchy, you guys need to try Halara pants and jeans. They're just such great quality. I like the stitching on it, how they do it. Like every little bit of detail they added is what makes these jeans look like real jeans. Like they are jeans, but they're more like a jegging style, and I absolutely love these. So I did have quite a bit from Halara. Please let me know which one was your favorite. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. It is free. Click that subscribe button right now, and also click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching my channel, and I just want to personally say to all of you guys that are subscribed to my channel and even new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel, for subscribing, for all the love and support. I truly just personally want to say thank you. And until next time, remember, God bless.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.